In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok business account for Shopify. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you have a TikTok business account. Now, what you could do is you could take a personal account and turn it into a business account, or you can go ahead and create an entire new business account from scratch. So both of those options will get the job done. But for this video, I'm going to be converting this personal TikTok account into a business account. So here is what you would need to do. You would need to go ahead and open up TikTok, then go ahead and select on profile, then press on these three bars on the top right. Then go ahead and select on settings and privacy. Once you're over here, please go ahead and select on account. Then you're going to see this option that says switch to business account, and all you want to do is you want to press on that. Then you want to go ahead and press on next. Press on next one more time. Press on next. Press on next. And then over here, you want to go ahead and choose your category. All right, then you want to go ahead and press on next just like so. And now you will need to add your email. Add an email to your profile to connect with your customers directly. You can always change the email later, so please enter in your email first. All right, now you want to go ahead and add your bio, and you basically want to do this to let your followers know exactly what you sell and stuff like that. You guys also do have the option to skip it. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead and skip it. And the next thing that you guys could do is set up TikTok Shop, which is honestly incredibly important. So you want to go ahead and press on setup just like so, and then it is going to take you to a page that looks like this. All right, there you go. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and enter in your phone number or email, and preferably using your business email. So let's go ahead and enroll to TikTok Shop really quickly. All right, afterwards, you want to go ahead and set a password for your TikTok Shop account. So let me go ahead and make it really quickly. Make sure that obviously it is something that you're able to remember, and I recommend having multiple physical and virtual copies of your password. Okay, then it is going to ask you more about your business, so go ahead and select whichever one does work for you. All right, once you're done with that, it is now going to say you're all set, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on Visit Business Suite right over here, and then there you go. We now have it just like so. Okay, once you're done with that, now we need to go ahead and open up Shopify. Okay guys, so here we are in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Shopify admin. Then you want to go to the left menu and scroll down until you see settings. Then you want to go ahead and select on apps and sales channel right over here. Then you want to select on this option that says Shopify App Store right over here. Then it is going to go ahead and just open up another tab. And now all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and type in TikTok just like so. There you go. Then you should be able to go ahead and find TikTok relatively easily. And you just want to go ahead and press on install just like so. All right, then it's going to give you a screen that looks like this. So go ahead and press on install one more time. There you go. Okay, once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on this option that does say set up now underneath start selling on TikTok. All right, then it is going to walk you through a page that looks like this. So it is going to first say verify your business, connect your TikTok shop account. So all you want to do is you want to select on connect account just like so. And now you need to go ahead and log in. So please go ahead and do that. All right, once you went ahead and connected your TikTok account, it is now going to show you something that looks like this. You guys could also sync your catalog with automatic listing. So if this feature is turned on, will automatically include shipping information and will be listed on TikTok Shop. So you guys can go ahead and turn that on as well. So where it says get ready to sell, you guys could sync products, you could shut up shipping, add warehouse information, and submit tax information. And whenever you guys are done with that, you guys could also go ahead and begin this process over here to start selling on TikTok. So I recommend that you guys do both of these options. So yeah, from here, you will need to go ahead and input more personal information about your store, your product, and of course, whatever you're trying to sell and what business you are in. So it is really a case-by-case basis. And by the way, you may need to complete your profile. So go ahead and select on that, please. So yeah, you will need to verify your identity right over here where it says primary representative. So you will need to use like a state passport, an ID, or driver's license, and then you need to go ahead and take a selfie. And then once you're done with that, it is then going to review the information and verify that it is actually you who owns the store. You guys are able to list products, you guys are able to track customers, all that good stuff, and in general manage your business while also getting better marketing. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.